In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add education experience to your LinkedIn profile. Let's dive right in. To start, fire up your preferred web browser and go to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. LinkedIn provides a few convenient options for signing in. You can use Google, Microsoft, or your email address and password. Be mindful of your login information to keep your account secure. For those who have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity with a code, usually sent to your phone. This extra step ensures your account remains protected. Once you've successfully logged in, move your cursor to your avatar picture, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the screen. This is the gateway to accessing all the personal features of your LinkedIn profile. Click on it, then select View Profile from the drop-down menu that appears. This action will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile page, where you can make any necessary updates. Now, scroll down to locate the Education section of your profile. You'll see a button labeled Add Education. Click on this button to begin the process of adding your educational experience. Once the form opens up, you'll notice several fields that need your input. Start by filling in the name of the school you attended or are currently attending. It's important to ensure this information is accurate. Next up, input the degree type you've earned or are currently pursuing. This could be a bachelor's, master's, PhD, or any other type of qualification. Don't forget to include the field of study as well. This detail is crucial as it communicates your specialization, which can be particularly appealing to potential employers. Then, add the dates of attendance by indicating the start and end dates of your study period. If you're still pursuing the degree, select the option that signifies you're presently studying. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate, as it reflects your academic journey. Once you've completed filling out the form, it's time to save your hard work. Look for the Save button, typically found at the bottom of the form, and click on it. This action confirms all the information you've entered and updates your LinkedIn profile. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, your LinkedIn profile now showcases all of your educational achievements. Keeping your profile updated is crucial, as it highlights your qualifications and can open doors to new opportunities. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you effectively present your educational background on LinkedIn.